In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to flip and rotate videos using CapCut. Let's get started. If you have recorded a video on your phone or downloaded one from the internet and the orientation is completely wrong, here's how to fix it. Start by launching your CapCut and select the video. Now, drag it to the timeline. With that, here you're going to find a different option. Look for the button with 2 triangles and 2 arrows. Click it to open a small menu. In this menu, you will see options like freeze frame and reverse, but the ones we need are at the bottom, mirror and rotate. The mirror option flips your video from left to right or right to left instantly, while the rotate option lets you rotate your clip by 90 degrees with each click. If you need a full 180 or 270 rotation, simply tap the rotate button multiple times until your video is perfectly aligned. That's all you need to do to flip or rotate a video in CapCut PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.